Hello, all my friends. Welcome yet again to my channel. Thank you so much for your love, appreciation, motivation. I also take this opportunity to thank my parents, the Almighty God, my support team, my friends, my colleagues, my siblings to have been always by my side. I also express my sincerest gratitude to my spirit angels, my power animals, my allies, all the positive entities who are always by my side and always guiding me and blessing me in every form possible. Thank you so much. Moving on, the month of February is all about love, compassion, reaching out to your parents, reciprocating the beautiful feeling of love. But in doing so, my friends, please do not forget to love yourself too, because if you love yourself, you truly understand the meaning of self appreciation, self motivation. It can do wonders to you as well as the people around you. If you truly love yourself, you will be able to understand your positive traits. You will be able to identify the areas where you need to have more patience and where you need to be a little more kinder to yourself. And in this, you will be able to identify your frequency, and in the process, you will emit that wavelength to the universe, which the universe can again reciprocate it back in the form of your true loves. This is not a time specific reading. This is a sign specific reading, and this reading is dedicated to my water sign Pisces. Hello, all my Pisces out there. Hope you all are doing good. How are you all? And if reading resonates with you, please do write in the comment section below. Let's start with the Pisces. Pisces, first and foremost, always give a tight hug to yourself. Always say good things about yourself, and you will be so happy. You will feel so lively when you do that, because the most positive quality that a Pisces have, that the gift that you are bestowed with by the Almighty, is you are very strong people in terms of relations, in terms of friendships. You are hardcore lovers. You Pisces are very strong in materialistic manners also. The Pisces, this zodiac sign, the Pisces, they are true friends. If anything ever happens to a Piscean or their friend circle, they will always stand up for them. They are family people. They are very close to those to whom those they love. They are very close to those who are a part of their life. And this quality of the Pisces is often the most important quality that other zodiac signs are usually attracted to them. So, my Pisces, please give a pat to yourself, give a strong hug to yourself also. As other people are important in your life, you are also important in for you. So, please give a good hug to yourself, love yourself, and cover yourself in this blanket of light, love, compassion. You'll feel so lovable, so light, and you will be so happy about it. The thing that you need to be little more patient about yourself is the amount of love that you give out. Please do not expect other people to give you that amount back. You are doing that out of selfless love. You love people in your circle. You always try to protect them. But please do not expect that this feeling is going to be reciprocated back to you. So you need to be a little patient with yourself. Yes, there are people around you, there are people in your family, there are people in your colleagues and friends, that special someone. They do reciprocate the amount of love that you give them out. But sometimes it happens in certain situations or events, you do not get back the required affection that you have been waiting for. So you need to be a little more patient in that. It does not mean that people don't love you, but just wait. The intensity of love that you expect from people back, you do not get that back sometimes. Because of that, you sometimes go overboard and you start hurting people, you start fighting with people, and the conflicts arise. But my Pisces, you need to be little more patient in this area, and you also need to be a kinder to yourself in this overwhelming situation. You have the power, you have resources, you are also bestowed with beautiful talent in your life. You can make things work in your favor in a jiffy. So use this talent of yours, use this power to work in your favor, which God has bestowed upon you. Use this for yourself, use this for people around you, and be a little more kinder to yourself, or when things go overboard. Be a little more patient with the feeling of love is concerned, and when you feel powerful, be a little kinder to yourself. Do not overstrain yourself. You need to be very disciplined. You need to understand the true meaning of life. You need to understand the true concepts of love. It is about giving and receiving, no doubt, but your giving is always more as compared to receiving. So be patient and be kind to yourself. And the things that you are usually attracted in other people, other person, is that you find calm people. You are full of energy, you are full of vitality, you keep bursting with energies. So this is the feeling, this is the quality that you are generally attracted to in other people. You like calm people, you like those people around you with whom you can share your wavelength, with whom you can talk your heart to heart out. So all other zodiac signs, if you have a Pisces companion, please sit and listen his or her heart out. They just want to talk to you, they just want to convey their deepest feelings with you. And if a Pisces is sharing his deepest feelings with you, believe me, you are very special to that person. And Pisces, if you find someone special to you with whom you can share this feeling and you can talk your heart out, that person is really special for you. You really need to understand that this quality is the utmost quality that you should look for in a partner, in your friends, or in your very closest confidants. So Pisces, here's wishing lots of good wishes, lots of beautiful people around you, and God bless. Thank you.